from here. Okay? Now, obviously, you're never in combat going to be standing like this. Okay? All these positions are to work the body and posture and everything else, right? Okay. So, Pat's going to come in with a punch. It doesn't matter. It could be a straight punch. It could be a haymaker. No. And I come here, right? So I'm going to do that. But as I do that, this other hand's going to do something. So here's the form. I'm here. I do this. Now I do that. Right? So as Pat comes in, I'm going to come here, and I'm going to hit him right here. So when I hit, if he turns his head like this, I'm going to hit base of the skull. This is one of the points mentioned in the Chen classics. One of the most important places to strike. If his head stays straight, then I'm going to hit the jaw hinge. And I'm going to hit it like this, with almost like the hand a little bit like this, and I'm going to strike in the jaw hinge. So here's the issue. Both of these places, the jaw hinge is the less dangerous one. But the jaw hinge, you break the jaw, possibly, but it's an easy knockout. And I mean easy knockout. So a few times in combat, I cut my hand like this, and I just struck the guy right here and put him right to sleep. And it's the stupidest looking technique on the planet, right? Because it's literally just me going BAM! And just this, and the guy's out, right? So, simple technique, it's very effective. So the jaw hinge is a good place to hit, okay? All right? So as he comes in, I'm going to come here and move my body. As I move my body, this is when I strike. Here, if I have to strike up higher, maybe I have to do this, but it's usually going to be this or this. Right? Could strike edge of the eye, right? Cheekbone. All right. So the move is 1, 2. Second hand is the hit. Okay. Okay. Don't knock each other out.
Ear good too?
What?
Is the ear good too?
The ears are excellent. So you smack the person right on the ear and rupture the eardrum. They don't appreciate that. So always remember, okay, you're walking with your kids, and 2 goons decide they're going to harm you. Okay, all bets are off. I can tell you now, I feel dramatically sorry for the individual that comes up to my wife when she's with the grandkids. Because the guy's not going to walk away. He's not going to walk away. So that has to be your mentality. So even if you preach nonviolence, which we all preach nonviolence, right? Like I say all the time, I walk around, I don't want to have any fights, I don't want any trouble. However, if I'm walking in that parking lot, and you're walking with your wife, and now I see 2 guys accosting you and your wife, you think I'm just going and getting in my car? Or you think I'm going to go over there and stop them? I have a unique set of skills. I'm going to go over and stop them. I'm not telling you to do that same thing, but that's what I'm going to do. That's what I've always done, right? So the point is there are some times, and I tell people this all the time, you're training for that one time in your life when all of a sudden, oh my God, this guy's going to hurt me. This guy's going to kill me. I have to defend myself. Okay? And when you have to defend yourself, you have to do whatever you can to win. Anything. All right? So, yeah, so ears good, eyes good, they're all good. Okay? All right, go ahead. Be careful. Don't knock each other out. Oh, I will if you knock.